Steelmama are the professional manufacturer roll forming machine in China. Our roof forming machines are popular in many countries, which has a stiffener so that the machine has a very good stability. The cutting method here is a flying. Ensure that the overlapping accuracy of the finished product is controlled within plus or minus 1 millimeter. This machine has 16 row forming stations. The machine structure is made wall panel. It is very resistant. Thank you, Chile customers, for your trust. Commitment. Delivery within 45 days. 18-month warranty. Steelmama always give you proper solution.